Today we're making Polish meatballs. What you need is 10-pound of hamburger. You need a cup of green peppers cut up, 2 eggs, a tablespoon of parsley, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I use dehydrated onions and just put them in a little bit of water. You can use regular onion if you want, but I always have dried onions on hand. That way you don't have to worry about your onions spoiling all the time if you don't use them. So I just put dried onions and everything and put a little bit of water in it and hydrate them up, and you're ready to go. And we have a cup of breadcrumbs and salt and pepper. So we'll just dump everything into the hamburger and start kneading it. So I've put the Parmesan cheese and the onion in so far. That is the breadcrumbs. Then a tablespoon of dried parsley, 2 eggs, some salt, some pepper just to taste, usually about a teaspoon of each will do. Ketchup is 1/4 of a cup. We'll just do a little squirt around, just 1/4 of a cup. Then our half a cup of green peppers in there. Then we just knead it all together so we can make our hamburgers. Or you can make meatballs out of this too and put it in your spaghetti. It's good for that too. But I'm just going to make them into patties today. And we'll cook it at 365 for 45 minutes in the oven on a pan lined with parchment paper, and you cover it with aluminum foil, just like we do the regular hamburger recipe that's already in my video collection. So you just keep kneading this together till it's all incorporated, and then we will make patties out of it. Okay, once you get them all pattied up just like that, that's how they look. See all the green peppers in them? So now we'll put them in the oven, 365 for 45 minutes. We're going to cover them with aluminum foil too, so it keeps all the nice juices in the burgers. After 45 minutes, you just take the aluminum foil off and eat them. Hope you enjoyed my video on Polish hamburgers. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.